In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to tell how much a YouTuber makes. So first go to youtube.com, then type in the YouTuber you want to see how much they make. So I'm just going to do Mr. Beast. Then what you want to do is click on the YouTube channel. Then you want to copy the link on the top. So this is their URL or their channel URL. So click that. Then you want to open up a new tab and type in socialblade.com. It'll take you to this website. So it says Analytics Made Easy. Social Blade tracks user statistics for YouTube, Twitch, Instagram, and Twitter. So then type in the URL that you just got from the channel that you wanted to see the analytics for. Click enter. Oftentimes it does do this, and it for some reason Social Blade is weird like that, and sometimes it doesn't even show you the correct channel you want to do. If that happens, just type in the username itself and then it will pop up the channel. So there we go. We are now at the channel, and this is how much revenue they make. So it says right here they make a estimated monthly earnings of $726,000 to $11.6 million. So this is crazy, but it's Mr. Beast, so it can't be that surprised. If you want to give a more accurate monthly earnings, then you just want to see what kind of content they make. So for example, Mr. Beast, it is a variety of people. Since it gets so many views, his audience is very broad, meaning that on average his RPM would probably be around $5. So if we just take the daily average, so copy that and multiply that by $5, take away the last three numbers since it's by 1,000, Mr. Beast makes on average $484,000 every single day based on Social Blade's analytics. So I hope that video helped you. If it did, subscribe and goodbye.